rewrite this expression by completing the square and find exact solutions. First, we have to consider this expression 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. Here we have to make this coefficient of x squared to be 1. For that you have to take this 2 outside. So when you're taking 2 outside, remaining you have x squared alone is present. Minus, since this 2 is taken outside, so you have to put 8 by 2x plus 3 by 2. That is, throughout this expression you have to divide by 2. Taking 2 outside, and throughout this expression you have to divide by 1 by 2. That is the meaning. So here 4 get cancelled, and here you have a 2 into x squared minus 4x plus 3 by 2. Now we have to factorize this term. So here minus is there. So you know that a minus b the whole squared formula, which is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. We need to calculate this b value here. For that, here minus 2ab and here minus 4a. You have to leave this variable. We have to consider the constants alone. So minus 2ab is equated to this minus 4. But what is the value of a here? A is equal to, here a is equal to 1. If 1 into x squared, so a is equal to 1. So minus 2b is equal to minus 4. Or b is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. Okay. Or otherwise, you can take this, the b squared is equal to 2 squared. So value of b is equal to 2 here. So 2 into x squared minus 4x. After that, we had to add this 2 squared and subtract this 2 squared without changing the value of this expression. One term is added and the same term is subtracted, plus this 3 by 2. Then you get this is vanished. We get the above expression. So, and now 2 into, here you can combine this term. This is a and this is b, and this term is minus is there. So a minus bd whole square you have, minus 4 plus 3 by 2 you have. Or what is minus 4 plus 3 by 2 value? That is, you have to multiply this here. 4 into minus 4 into 2, you have minus 8. And here you have a plus is there now. So this plus you have to write as it is, divided by, whole thing divided by this 2. Okay. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. This 3 you have to write as it is, and denominator you have to write whole denominator. Or you have minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5 by 2. This value will be equal to minus 5 by 2. So 2 times x minus 2 the whole squared minus 5 by 2. This is the value of this, that is rewritten term as this. Or otherwise you can write this to be 2 into, you can take this 2 inside, x minus 2 the whole squared minus 2 into 5 by 2. This 2 to get cancelled. So 2 into x minus 2 the whole squared minus 5. We rewrite this expression like this using factorization. Okay. After that, we have to find out the exact solutions for that. For that, we have to equate this expression to be 0. Okay. So to get the solutions, we have to equate the given expression to x squared minus 8x plus 3 is equal to 0. But we just now rewrite this using completing the square as 2 into x minus 5 whole squared minus 5, isn't it? 2 into x minus 2 the whole squared minus 5 is equal to 0. Or you can have 2 into x minus 2 the whole squared is equal to 5. You take this minus 5 to the side, it becomes plus 5. Or x minus 2 the whole squared is equal to 5 by 2. Or you can have to, that is, you have to find out the taking square root on both sides. X minus 2 the whole squared is equal to plus or minus root 5 by 2. So we have to rationalize the denominator. For that you have to multiply and divide by 1, 2. Okay, so for that you get a plus or minus a root of 10 divided by 4, but you have x minus 2 the whole squared is equal to plus or minus root 10 divided by 2. Okay, so this is the value. Sorry, here x minus 2 alone. Here you have x minus 2 will be equal to this. I'm taking square root. So x minus x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 10 divided by 2. Okay, so this is the roots, or otherwise x is equal to 2 plus root 10 divided by 2, or 2 minus root 10 divided by 2. This is the two solutions for the given problem.